Morning guys, this is Kenzo Xtrahot Forex. So let's go straight to our daily analysis. Yesterday I was not around guys, so I forgot to tell you guys. And you know what, yeah, I was on the road actually. I was on the road and I was like, now I'm very tired and I'm very sorry guys. I forgot to let everyone know on my last video, which was on Tuesday. So anyways, I think let's just continue. I'm not going to waste your time. So it's Wednesday today, and here in South Africa, it's a holiday. So yeah, it's a holiday. So everyone who is following, enjoy your holiday, guys. Enjoy your holiday nicely. So what we can do now, we are on USOIL as my other members on the group. They really like trading US oil, but I don't think it's everyone, but I think let me just cover that. So the thing that we see here is this thing already respected the support area, which I used to talk about it now and then. So what I see is the market is going up slowly. The market is going up slowly. And what I see is here, it's quite similar to what we saw on Nasdaq or US30, because this thing is really dropped. Then when they reach the support, they started playing around, but at the later stage they just pushed higher. So what I see is the market really respected this area, but even though the market is pushing up, we have this area as a resistance. You see that? So there's possibility that, you see, every time the market reaches that area, the market pushed lower. Even now, there's possibility that the market can still push lower. If not, we will see the market breaking out and maybe pushing up. So let's try to push to a bit smaller time frame and see what's really happening there. Let's see. Please guys, don't forget to smash that subscribe button, like, share with your friends. You can see that this thing really, I'm using my laptop here. I feel like the screen is too small because I used to use my bigger screen, so it feels very small. I don't know, but I don't think you're going to see that on your side. So what I see is the market really respected this area several times. Do you see that, guys? So for you to say maybe you need to buy or something, because you can see this thing still respecting the resistance, it means wait for the market to break this area and push higher, right? Wait for the market to break this area or to push higher, or maybe you will see the market pushing lower, respecting this area. So actually some they call this a wedge, but since I use the trend line, I just look at the trend line as support and resistance. But what I see is this is a wedge. Mostly when you see a wedge, the market will try to squeeze up, going small and small. After, we'll see the market breaking up or down, whether breaking the support or resistance. It doesn't matter which area, but as long as the market can break this resistance, we're going to buy. Then if the market reaches this area, we're going to see or wait for the market to give us that structure. If maybe it's still going to push up, if it's going to push up, we can still buy from there. But what I see is it's very important to wait for the market to break out here before you say you're going to buy. I hope you understand that. So let's go to the next one, guys. Please don't forget to smash that subscribe button. The channel is growing very quickly, and I like that, guys. I like that. So what I see here, we are on gold. You know, I don't want to waste your time because I think I need to update you maybe later on. I can send another video later on updating you if I will be like not that busy. So on gold, what I see is we see that we are still on an uptrend, but from that uptrend actually we have the market pushing lower. You can see this line here, it shows that there is an uptrend, but we have a structure. Let me remove this, you will see that. Let me remove the old resistance there, sorry, support. So what do you see at the moment? You can see that there's a structure. Let me remove this one. Let me remove this one, guys. So there is a structure that tells you that this thing is a downtrend. Every time the market reaches this area, the market pushed lower, and it's very perfect on the support side. It shows you that the market was just coming around this area, and you can see that. You can see that. So the best thing is we can see that, okay, this is a downtrend, obviously. This is a downtrend, obviously. But for us to say now, maybe let's get out of this downtrend and say we buy, or we can just continue to sell. Because the market is here at the moment. I hope that is going to respect. I hope it's going to respect the market. I mean, the resistance. If it doesn't respect, we will see the market pushing lower. But if not, it means we're going to see the market pushing higher and higher, which is a good thing also. But I feel like this thing might still respect this resistance and push lower. It's possible. So the best thing that you can do is try to check if this area is broken, or maybe somebody can say, I see a resistant area here. Yes, you're right. That is a resistant area actually, but you can still wait for that to be broken before you say you buy. Maybe you don't want to wait for this diagonal resistance. You can still wait for this horizontal resistance and say, you know what, if the market goes above that, I can buy. Somebody can also draw something like this here, but I don't see points where they are connecting. I just see only 1, 2, which doesn't really make sense. Like what I see here, you can see here it's 1, 2, 3, like several times there. So it means that it's really like valid. It's valid. So it means we can stick on that. We can say the market can drop here, or the market can really push up. If you want to buy, maybe let's say if you want to buy, you can just make something like this. Something like this. You see this? Something like that. You can reduce the stop loss. Don't make your stop loss like very, very big. You see? So, and another secret, like this is not like a secret, but I think people, they don't really tell you about this. Sometimes to make it in this game, it's like, if maybe you don't want to learn so many things, if you need the shortcut but in the right way, is don't risk much. Use a very, very small lot size, then just trade. You just trade. Even if you go wrong, mostly the lot size is too small. Maybe using 0.02 or 0.01, it means you're not going to make a very, very, very big profit, but still you're not going to make a very big loss, which means it's all in your favor. It's all in your favor, so it's not going to be an issue if the profit is too small. As long as there's always profit, it means the progress is there. As long as there's progress, it's fine that way, you see. So here, if maybe you want to buy, it might look like something like this, but let's say if you want to sell, it will be something like this, let's reduce this and push a little bit lower, something like that. I hope you can see that as you have two options. It's like I'm about to sneeze. I'm sorry. I think everyone knows. Everyone sneezes, guys. So I think that way I'm not going to post the video or whatever. I think I'm not dealing with some crazy people. I think everyone who is here is like really on the business side or on the trading side. They don't really care what they see, whether I do the whatever. So as long as there is information being shared, so that is the key. So let's go straight to US30, guys. This thing, like yesterday, after Fed interest rate decisions, the market tried to push higher. I watched that on the phone, but I did not do anything. But it's I like this because if you check my previous videos, I've drawn this thing for some time now. I've drawn this thing for some time now. This resistance for some time, you can see it's been there, and I was talking about the breakout retest, and the market came there and respected that. So sometimes even if you don't follow those economic news, most of the time you're still going to get the market right if you are on the right side of technical analysis. Because here I don't know what's really happening, but the market was just dropping. You see, when you go on CNBC, they will tell you about the market is in fear of maybe interest rate, stuff like that. Guess what? When you check the picture is it's a breakout. The market came and retest, but the market never broke this resistance. Now we can call that a support. You see, we can call that a support. Guess what? Whether the news were positive or negative, I don't know. I did not even check the news, but the market really respected this area. And this is the same decision that I was going to take, maybe to buy. I was going to buy because the market just retested. So it means the market was going to buy there. So it means your technical analysis, if you take it serious, if you understand whatever that you're doing, mostly you will be in favor of the market. So now on US30, we have this area here. So for us to say let's buy again, it means let's break this area, and we can say now we're going up. Now we're going up again. Already we up. I hope my guys did eat around this area. I hope they did eat. But those who listen obviously did eat here. But if not, it's also fine. Another opportunity is going to come. I don't know if maybe the market is going to give us a higher low, or the market if it's going to go up. What we can see is what we can do is wait for the market to reach, or wait for the market open and see what's really happening before you can do another structure. Because at the moment the market is like bit oversold for only this portion here, but we can still see the market pushing higher. This is not even a higher high. We still have this area here, so the market can still come back easily and break anything or everything along the road. So yeah, I don't think maybe there's much that I can tell you. It shows that the market it's really respecting whatever that we do, and it's not on bearish anyway. So it means we can wait for the market structure, another good structure that we can try to connect and say, you know what, if that, let's say we can draw something like this here. If that is broken, it can give us another confirmation to do what, to buy. Something like that. So I hope you understand that. Man, you are on the camera. You know, guys, we live with people here. I can't restart the thing. Just get out. Yeah, just be here, man. So, so let's go to the last one, which is Nasdaq 100. Yeah. So on Nasdaq 100, guys, you can see that this was also a bigger a retest or a sell-off, that I can just call it like that. Why? Because if we look back, if we do really look back, I'm on a daily time frame here. On this daily time frame, we see that the market gave us 2 points here, which we can call our first points. Then after, when we connect those points, we see that the market came back and retested. This is a daily time frame, it's bigger. So after, we see the market coming back again, and it's yesterday and day before that. So this was a very easy and straightforward move, but not like very easy, because mostly if we go to a bit smaller time frame, we had some areas around this area, and we still have another one here. Do you see that? So those were also confusing, but they were there for a reason, because the market was also respecting those areas. For that time, the market was just going up and down. Then the market decided to sell off. Then let's go to a bit smaller time frame and see what's really happening. So it means for my people who are in the group, of for those ones with the system, obviously they did have some nice profits yesterday. I hope they have some nice profits. Just look at this area when you connect them, and if you still remember, this resistance, this support is been there. Even if yesterday I did not do the video yesterday, but this support was there. The market came here and started to reject around this area. Then yesterday came and touched that area and push up. So This will give you an idea that, you know what, the market really respects these previous areas. Just look at what happened before here. Look at what happened before here. Just look at what happened. It shows that the market is really, really, really respecting what's really happening. It's really respecting the previous points. So this is what I tell my people mostly. You see, Nasdaq really respect the support and resistance. Just get the nice structure, mostly the outer, because if you draw the inner ones here, it's going to be easily for the market to break that. But just look at the support. If you got the market here on the support, man, you will be smiling. I know you will be smiling, because this is dollars, guys. This is dollars. So I hope now you can see what's really happening. But what I see is here, you can't buy here at the moment. You can't buy here at the moment. What you can do is wait for the market to break this area. Then once we break this resistance, it's very strong, guys. It's been here for some time, so it means if we break this area, we can say, you know what, let's buy again. Or maybe the market might respect this area going lower and say, you know what, if it does that, we still going to do, we can just wait, we can buy around this area. Don't just buy here, because the market can reject easily. We saw the market here, you see this. Let me show you what we can do. Oh, come on. Something like this. You see. You see. So if maybe you want to buy something like this, I don't know if you can still see that. If you want to buy, I encourage anyone who wants to buy, because I can also see that the market is like way too strong. Maybe if it breaks this area, you can just place your buy pending order above that, few pips above that, so that you don't get that a fake breakout. So if the market pushes up, you can have some very nice entry. I wish, or I hope, if the market breaks this area, let's just hold for a week and see what's really happening. Let's just hold for a week. So for you to do that, it means you're going to use a bit smaller time frame, sorry, a bit smaller lot size, so that you don't panic when the market is just going up and down. I'm not saying that the market is going to obviously go up, but there's possibility that the market can still go up. If it doesn't go up, it's also fine. It's also fine. We're going to remove this. For those who sell, they can do something like this. Something like this. You see? Something like this. Something like that. Do you see that? So when you sell, you don't sell here at the tip. You wait for the market to start to reject. Then it's where you sell. Something like that. Guys, I hope you're going to have a very nice week. Already maybe you had a very great week. What I wish is, or I wish a very successful trading journey, because this thing is not easy, especially when you don't follow the rules. And those rules, they are also not easy to follow. So it means you need to be way too disciplined to follow everything that you say you want, because it's easy. It's easy when you follow those things. The thing is, you have to do those uncomfortable things, like following your rules. They are not comfortable to do that, but following them, mostly they come with a very nice results, guys. The outcome is way too good. So I hope you guys understand. Please, guys, don't forget to smash that subscribe button, like, share with your friends. This is Kenzo, Xtrahot Forex. I hope everyone, let me just wish you all a very nice coming Christmas, because next week I think is Christmas and the other one is New Year. I'm just wishing you from now on, take care out there, guys. Let's have some fun. So yeah, sometimes you can take like 2 days break on trading, so that your mindset can just refresh. I hope you understand that. Please just forgive me for yesterday. I did not post anything, and I know people, they were just WhatsApping me, Kenzo, are you posting, are you doing this? So thank you guys for being there. I understand that you are my genuine members. So thank you. This is Kenzo, Xtrahot Forex.